Lesson 69. My grievances hide the light of the world in me.
Hi there. Have you ever considered that the act of complaining might distance us from the truth of who we are? Or that holding grievances could obscure the beautiful miracles waiting for us beyond the veils of our judgments and illusions? That's exactly what we're going to delve into with today's Lesson 69.
My grievances hide the light of the world in me.
When we hold on to grievances, they conceal the light within us, obscuring it not only from ourselves but from everyone around us. Yet, by releasing these grievances, we free not only ourselves but also those sharing our journey toward salvation. We have companions who have been by our side when we were in hell, and now they can share in our salvation and bask in the light that unites and saves us all. Today, let's make another powerful attempt to reach that hidden light in us. Before we start our practice, let's take a moment to reflect on what we're aiming for.
We are literally attempting to get in touch with the salvation of the world. We are trying to see past the veil of darkness that keeps it concealed. We are trying to let the veil be lifted, and to see the tears of God's Son disappear in the sunlight.
Let's start our longer session for the day with the awareness of the importance of what we're trying to do today. This is indeed what matters the most in our lives.
Salvation is our only need. There is no other purpose here, and no other function to fulfill. Learning salvation is our only goal.
Let's end our ancient search today by finding the light within us, becoming beacons of hope and joy for all other seekers. Let's just be quiet now, and close our eyes. Let's try to clear our mind of the usual chatter, releasing the content that typically occupies our consciousness. Let's envision our mind as a vast expanse, shrouded by heavy dark clouds. From where we stand, we can see only the clouds. Those clouds might seem like our entire reality. We can't see any reason to believe there is a brilliant light beyond those clouds. Those clouds seem to be all there is to see. That's why we never try to go beyond them, but that's the only way we would see that these clouds are just clouds. They lack real substance, and yet they have the power to block the light beyond. We will make this attempt today. We will try to go beyond those clouds, challenging the perception that they are all there is to see. Let's again remember the significance of what we're attempting, both for ourselves and the world. Then, let's sit in perfect stillness, remembering our desire to reach the light within us today. Let's be determined to move past those clouds. Let's reach out and touch them in our mind, brushing them aside with our hand. As we pass through them, let's feel their mist on our skin, on our cheeks, on our forehead, on our eyelids. Let's keep going. Those clouds cannot stop us. If we fully engage in this practice, we might begin to feel uplifted, as if a gentle force is propelling us forward. Even our smallest effort and determination will summon the power of the universe to aid us.
And God Himself will raise you from darkness into light.
Our will is aligned with the will of God today. We cannot fail. Let's have confidence in our Father today, assured that our call has been heard and answered. We may not recognize His answer yet, but we can be certain that it has been given and we will receive it. Let's maintain this confidence as we journey through the clouds to the light. By aligning our will with God's will, we are sure to succeed.
Then let the power of God work in you and through you, that His will and yours be done.
For our shorter practice sessions, which we should aim to undertake as frequently as possible due to the significance of today's idea, let's remind ourselves that our grievances obscure the light of the world from our perception. Let's remember also that we are not alone on this journey, and we now know precisely where to find the light. Let's repeat to ourselves.
My grievances hide the light of the world in me. I cannot see what I have hidden. Yet I want to let it be revealed to me, for my salvation and the salvation of the world.
And whenever we find ourselves tempted to harbor any grievances against anyone today, let's promptly remind ourselves.
If I hold this grievance, the light of the world will be hidden from me.
Incredible, isn't it? Are we not on the verge of countless miracles and blessings just waiting to unfold before us? Is releasing all our grievances not a small price to pay for the immense rewards that await? You're doing wonderfully. See you tomorrow for another enlightening lesson. Quick reminder, if you haven't yet watched the introduction to this video series, be sure to do so, as it lays the foundation for our journey together. Just click on the video link that will appear on your screen shortly.
Did you enjoy the video and find it helpful? Please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day. And if you've been with us for a while, please consider supporting the channel. There's a lot of love behind these videos. Check out the video description for more details.